Hi viewers, if you don't want to miss any videos uploaded by me, please follow these steps. Open YouTube and type Shekhar Maths in the search box and then click. You will see my photograph in the circle. Touch the subscribe button and also bell icon and select all. Then you will get instant notifications whenever I upload my any video. Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics Semester 2, 5th chapter Fractions and Decimals, exercise 5.4. Before going to do the exercise, let us know the concept decimal fraction. Let us take an example 4.73. Here 4 is called the whole number part. Here point is called the decimal point and 73 digits are in decimal part. Whole number part is always greater than or equal to 0, which is on the left side of decimal point. Decimal part is always less than 1, which is on the right side of decimal point. So now let us take like decimal fractions. Decimals having equal number of decimal places, that is digits. Example 1.36, 34.72, 0.07. Observe that there are only 2 digits in the decimal part of the above fractions. All are equal, so like decimals. Unlike decimal fractions, decimals having unequal number of decimal places. Example 1.7, 4.07, 0.642. Observe that there are only 1 digit in the first, there are 2 digits in the second decimal fraction. There are 3 digits in the third decimal. All are unequal, so unlike decimals. First problem, which of the following are unlike decimal fractions? Solution 1. 5.03, 6.185. Number of decimal places in the first decimal fraction is number of digits is 2. In the second decimal fraction, number of digits is 3. So 2 is not equal to 3. So these are unlike decimal fractions. Number 2, 43.7, 7.42. Number of decimal places, that is number of digits in the decimal part of first decimal fraction is 1. In the second decimal fraction, number of digits is 2. 1 is not equal to 2. So these are unlike decimal fractions. Number 3, 16.003, 5.301. So observe that here are 3 digits in the decimal part of the both of the decimal fractions. So both are 3 is 3. So these are like decimal fractions. Number 4, 15.81, 1.36. Number of decimals in the first decimal fraction is number of digits is 2. In the second decimal fraction, number of digits is 2. 2 is 2. So like decimal fractions. Number 2, change the following into like decimal fractions. 1, 2, 3. Solution. Unlike decimals can be converted into like decimals by just adding zeros to their last decimal places. Make it a point. Now let us take problem number 1, 0.802, 54.32, 873.274. Observe that there are maximum 3 digits in the decimal part of first and last. So we can make them like decimals by just adding 0 to the decimal part of second decimal fraction. So all are having 3 digits in the decimal part, so like decimals. Number 2, 4.78, 9.193, 11.3. The maximum number of decimals are 3. So we can make them other fractions into like decimals by just adding 1 0 to the first decimal fraction and 2 zeros to the last decimal fractions. Now all are having 3 digits in their decimal part, so these are like decimals. Number 3, 16.003, 16.9, 16.19. Observe that maximum decimal places are 3. So we can convert other decimals by just adding 2 zeros to the second decimal fraction and 1 0 to the last decimal fraction. Now all are having 3 digits in their decimal part, so all are converted into like decimals. Number 3, write the following in ascending order 1, 2, 3. Solution. To compare decimal fractions, we have to follow some rules. Number 1, convert into like decimals. Number 2, compare whole number part. The number with a greater whole number part is greater. Number 3, if whole number part are same, compare the tens digit. The decimal number having a greater tens digit is greater. Now let us take first problem 7.26, 7.62, 7.2. First convert into like decimals. Maximum decimals are 2. So just add 0 to the last decimal fraction, that is 7.20. Now put all the decimal fractions in their exact place values. To write ascending order, first compare ones place, all are same. Now compare tens place, 2 are equal, so compare the hundreds place. 0 is less than 6, so the number having 0 in the hundreds place is 7.20 is the least number, and then 7.26 and then 7.62. Second problem 0.464, 0.644, 0.446, 0.664, all are having same decimal places, so all are like decimals. So put there in their exact place values. To write ascending order, compare ones place, all are zeros. Now compare tens place. There are 2 fours in the tens place, so compare the hundredths place of it. 4 is less than 6. So first least number is 0.446, second number is 0.464. Now there are 2 6s in the tens place, so compare the hundredths place of it. Again 4 is less than 6, so third number is 0.644, fourth number is 0.664. Next third 30.30, 30.060, 30.30. First convert into like decimals by just adding 0 to the last decimal part of decimal fraction. Now put them in their exact place values. To write ascending order, first compare the tens place, all are equal, ones place, all are equal. Now compare tens place. So there are 2 zeros, so compare the hundreds place of it. 0 is less than 6, so least number is 30.30. Next number is 30.060 and last number is 30.300. Now fourth problem. Arrange these numbers in descending order. Solution. First write down all the numbers from top to bottom. Now observe that there are only 2 decimal parts, 2 digits. So just add 0 to the third decimal fraction and 10 to the fifth decimal fraction, then all are converted into like decimals. Now put them in their exact place values. Now to write ascending order, compare tens place, all are equal, ones place, all are equal. Now compare the tens place. There are 2 zeros in the tens place, so compare the hundredths place of it. We know that 1 is less than 3. So in ascending order, first number comes 16.01 and then 16.03 and then 16.10, 16.30, 16.42. And observe that there are 2 nines in tens place. So observe the hundredths place of it. 6 is less than 9. So 16.96 comes and then 16.99 at last. Now fifth problem. Fill in the blanks by using appropriative symbols greater than, less than or equal to. Solution. First problem 0.005, 0.0005. Maximum decimal places are 4. So to convert into like decimals, add 0 to the decimal part of first decimal fraction. Now compare 50 and 5. 50 is greater than 5. So put greater than symbol in the blank. Next number 2. 4.353, 4.2. To convert into like decimals, add 2 zeros because maximum decimal places is 3. Add 2 zeros to the decimal part of second decimal fraction. Now compare 353 is greater than 200. So put greater than symbol in the blank. Now number 3. 58.3, 58.30. Maximum decimal places is 2. So just add 0 to the decimal part of first decimal fraction. Then these becomes like fractions. Now compare them. They are equal. So put equal to symbol in the blank.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Shaker Mass.